In this lesson, we'll talk about measurements and units in AutoCAD. As you know, we were referring to our measurements as units to this point, but you may ask what unit is it into? Is it feet, inches, millimeters? What is it? And the answer is the units are in whatever measurements you want it to be. And to reason that better, we're going to launch the line command and create a 1 unit line. We'll just type 1 and enter. We shouldn't worry about the angle, that doesn't matter right now. And we're going to go at the application menu and launch the drawing utilities and units. The units dialog box, and here's a drawing unit. The units here, the insertion scale says we're using the inches right now, and there are lots of other measurements of scales right here. The most popular ones are at the top of the menu, but it really doesn't matter what measurement you use at first. The AutoCAD is data smart to convert your objects. If you are bringing other objects from another document, another drawing into a new AutoCAD document, the converting job will be done with AutoCAD for you. But you may ask, how are these units to be used? Units, if you are making a project for yourself, you better use a unit that it's easier for you. Or if you are, I don't know, architect, you're mostly using inches, but civil engineer using foot. I really can't tell that. Let's take a look at the up of these groups here, length and angle. These represents the precision of the decimals we're seeing in the information box when we select any object. And here we have the precision for the length with the 4 units for decimal spaces, and for the angle and with the precision of the even numbers. Let's change this to 2, and let's change this to maybe 3 and say OK. And we'll go to our property changer. Mine is right here, and if yours not docked at your like a palette, you could press the Control 1 and AutoCAD brings it up for you. And we'll select the line here and come down here, right here, and we see that the length, the precision of the decimals for the lengths are 4, and for the angle is 3 here. We press the escape button here and we go back to our units, go up to the units dialog box, and here we can actually change the types of these. Most used ones are architectural and decimals. If we select the architectural, take a look, the precision changes, and the angle, we can change the angle to any of these we'd like. Let's click cancel, and first of all let's change this back to 2 and to the decimal and press OK. And I want to open some real world projects for you to see how the measurements are done there. I'm going to save this. I'm going to go and open. go to the chapter 4 and open the survey here. This is a survey that this is done in accurate measurements, and we're going to take a look what measurement that is. Drawings and up to the units, and here it says it has been drawn to the in feet measurements, feet units, and with the precision of the 2 decimal spaces here. So going to cancel this and close this one. Like to open another one. I'll push the Control O and let's open the bracket. This bracket is drawn by metric measurements. If you take a look, this is drawn at 5 millimeter here, and we can take a look at this one as well. It's in millimeters and with 4 decimal precisions. Cancel this. All we need to say is that the AutoCAD is smart enough to do the conversion for you, and if you want to draw your objects in a very accurate scale, you can ask the people who are working with in the field with you and know what measurements you're using, and you can draw it in that measurement very easily.